And alright guys, now let me start off by saying this has to be one of the lightest laptops I've ever experienced. This is the LG Gram 14. Now the LG Gram is the first laptop LG has brought to the US, and for our first try, it's quite impressive. I'm loving the simple yet attractive design. As you can see here, it comes in a champagne gold color, which I like because it's actually pretty subtle. It's also got a carbon magnesium and lithium magnesium body, which is the stuff that's used in race cars, so it's light and durable. So let's take a look around the Gram. Even though it only has a half-inch thick profile, it's equipped with an HDMI port, which you typically don't find on laptops this size, a micro USB port, a couple of USB 3.0 ports, a micro SD card slot, power adapter port, a microphone, and some status lights for battery and charging. When you lift the screen, you've got a nice full-size keyboard with slightly lifted keys, so it's comfortable to use. The trackpad is also fairly large, which is always nice. What's great is that even though this laptop is small and extremely portable, LG didn't make any sacrifices in terms of giving you a laptop equipped with all of the basics and more. This guy definitely stands out when it comes to laptops in its weight and size category. Weighing in at roughly 2 pounds, the LG Gram is lighter than the MacBook Air and extremely portable. And what's even more interesting is that even though this is around the same weight as the new 12-inch MacBook, which you all know I loved for its portability, there's something about this laptop's build and materials that allows it to evenly distribute the weight over a larger surface than the new MacBook, which makes the carrying experience just as effortless. And this is perfect for me since I'm always looking for a new place to get work done, and I tend to carry a lot of stuff around, so it's great that this doesn't weigh me down. You can expect 7.5 hours of battery life, and a solid state drive that can be configured up to 256 gigs, making this machine perfect for media lovers. And not to mention, the screen is beautiful. You have 14 inches of vibrant color with its 1080p IPS display. This makes watching your favorite shows and even gaming extremely enjoyable. The viewing angles are great. I use this laptop in many different places and at different angles with no issues. So for those of you who like to do work or watch things in bed, the screen should be perfect. And even though this guy is light and portable, it's still packing a punch. The Gram is loaded with an i7 processor, which gives it enough power to handle any word processing, web browsing, and a lot more. So whether you need something for school or professionally, this should be able to keep up with you. During the time that I've used this as my primary computer, I was very pleased with my experience. It also has this feature called Instant Boot, so you can expect this guy to power up really quickly, whether you're starting from fully off or sleep mode. And of course, Windows 10 comes on this device, so you can have cool features like Cortana or the new Microsoft Edge browser. Needless to say, this is a PC I can see myself grabbing whenever I'm traveling and I need to get work done quickly. You honestly can't beat the size and weight combo you get with this laptop, especially with that IPS display. But that about wraps it up for this video, guys. Hopefully you enjoyed it. If you did, be the cool guy that gives it a thumbs up, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Till then, it's your average consumer. Peace.